So next we're doing the contact page. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to add a contact page, contact form. Then we're going to link that form to the thank you page. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our thank you page and we're going to preview it. And then we're going to copy the URL up here and we're going to put it somewhere safe. Then we're going to go out. We're going to go to the contact page and we're going to go for form. We're going to click on the form button there and we're going to choose our contact, Jacob's contact. Great stuff. And we're going to click on send message and we're going to go down here and we're going to, here it says redirect section. So we're going to go and we're going to click here on the thank you page URL, copy, and the URL, paste, save, and then we're going to go review and we're going to test. We're going to say Dan's phone number and email, send message. Now we would be redirected to the thank you page. There we are.